Everybody's looking for the next 100x coin all the time. That's all you're thinking about. What is the next coin that I can take that is going to make 100x for me, that I can become an instant billionaire with it? Well, I'm here to disappoint you, but not for real. I actually want to make sure that you get real information, alpha, from an accountable YouTube and not from a moon boy. So nothing will make you 100x just like that. But can it make 2, 3, 5, 10x and maybe in the future 100? Yes. Okay. I'm talking about the one and only, the red hot ZBCN that we've been talking and covering in this channel and our main crypto mindset channel for multiple months since May. Why? Because we saw something unique. We saw a coin that was moving against all odds. Remember that, and moving strongly. And not only that, the community behind it is ferocious. So if you are a Zebecian and if you're from the Zebec army, what you need to do is obliterate the like, cook it for us, send this video to the ether. We want to make sure we spread the word because ZBCN, Zebec Network is red, hot, and moving again, while everything is not moving at all. Let me show you what I mean. This is ZBCN network. Look at it. Look at this beauty moving while everything else is kind of dormant. All right. Only in the last couple of weeks. All right. Almost roughly 100% in a week and a half, just a bit of below a week, while most of the things are just not moving. Now, this is not the first time that ZBCN is moving without the market, okay? Actually, in contrast to what the market does. Even here, okay? Even here, and by the way, stay until the end because I'm going to show you proof that we actually put our money where our mouth is, okay? I'm going to show you proof of this also. Well, not maybe not until the end, but in a second, okay? Even here, ZBCN did the same thing. And I'm going to show you, okay, just by showing the Bitcoin chart, what do I mean exactly, okay? So what do I mean exactly? This is ZBCN, this is Bitcoin. Look at this from a perspective of a trade. We're going to put a vertical line on the breakout of each time of when ZBCN broke out to new highs, okay? Here and here. These are the two times. And look at this. At the first time, this was an attempt of Bitcoin to go to new highs, but it actually failed and needed almost a month more to break higher, while ZBCN actually moved higher. You know what this is called? This is called a leader, okay? This is why it's a leader, because it is a coin that broke out before the market itself. For me, Bitcoin is the market. So if a coin breaks to new high, remember, this is new high grounds, as you can see for ZBCN. It broke to new high grounds before Bitcoin broke to its own new all-time high. This is called the preceding breakout. Also, you can see that over here, same vertical line, actually you can put it even here if you want, it doesn't really matter. Bitcoin is still within a consolidation phase, as you can see marked in this rectangle, and ZBCN is actually yet again moving higher, okay? Now, this is not a coincidence, okay? This is a feature and not a bug, okay? It means that it is leading the market, okay? Leading in the sense that it's breaking out before the market broke out. And once the market breaks out, it actually finished, the correction phase. Because if you want it or not, each coin will have a correction all the time. If it moves up, it will move down at some point as somewhat of a correction. But if it continues moving higher and higher, that is what you want to see. As you can see right now in ZBCN, okay? So red hot, it's moving again while the market is still, at least Bitcoin is just moving sideways, and a lot of altcoins are actually breaking down. ZBCN again showing the strength, and because of this strength, a potential to go 2, 3, and even 10x, maybe if the gods of the market allow it, maybe even 100. But you know what? This is not financial advice, and I'm not not gonna bet for 100x for sure. I'm gonna bet on a 2x, on a 3x, maybe even on a 10x. Later than that, we need to wait and see. Can you do it? Of course. Why? Because of these characteristics. And also, okay, another very important thing is the community behind Zebec. It reminds me of Caspa in 2023, right? Caspa in 2023, in March, we found it. Me and Sim, we found it. We traded it while it was quite young. Let me show you how it looked like back in the past in 2023. Now, not only that it was young, no one knew about it. The thing about it was the price action was very strong, okay? And the community, okay, was very strong also. I'm talking about this area over here. This is the first time CM and I in this channel discussed about Caspa right over here. We traded it here, right? This was the first breakout ever we traded on Caspa. Look, instant 200% in a week and a half. Remember, we do this over and over again. This reminds me of ZBCN right now, okay? Very, very similar. We are in, this stage of ZBCN right now after a breakout from the new lows, and we're going to go right now over here, and later on, maybe even do what Caspa did, okay? But I'm not showing, this is not a comparison, right? Why am I showing the Caspa chart? Because I wanted to tell you that once we found Caspa before everyone else knew about it, yes, there was still a big community on YouTube searching for Caspa and looking at our videos much more, okay, than on other videos. ZBCN did the same. And that's why I believe that ZBCN has the cocktail of the best mix of what you want from a coin that has huge potential. One, it has beautiful price action, as you can see, okay, it's breaking into new highs, it's moving independently and even preceding what the market does, very strong, showing momentum, okay? And also you have that community that is always, kind of devouring more information and more knowledge on it, okay? So that's a beautiful, beautiful cocktail. Now, I respect the fact that we can be wrong. We are not clairvoyants. Nothing that we say has any guarantees, but from a probability standpoint, this is something big. This is something strong. And you know what? I promise that I'm going to show you some proof that we bet. We put our money where our mouth is. So here it goes. This is the first time we actually traded ZBCN. Look at this. May 21st. I said to buy above the 00226 horizontal resistance, all this, okay, explanation about what to do exactly. If you open the image, you can see this was May 21st, timestamped within the platform. Also, in the chart itself, this timestamp is May 21st, as you can see over here. You can see that I told to buy the breakout. As you can see, and I'm going to show the chart again, it made a 220% move the next week. Now, not only did we trade it then, we're trading it now. Also, we had a position since the 35 or 38 cents, and we doubled at the 45.5. Okay, you see this from 2 days ago, so it's from July 28th. And as you can see from over here, July 28th, this was the signal to double your position, okay, on ZBCN. If you don't have a position, put at least 10 to 15% of your account in it, okay? So as you can see, we put our money where our mouth is. And just to make sure that we are, again, on the same page, this is how, the chart of ZBCN looks like right now, okay? We talked about it. This is it, okay? I'm going to diminish the Bitcoin one. I'm going to remove all this mumbo jumbo. This is the first breakout that we had from this day, okay? May 21st. If you remember, look at the move we had in a week, okay? 220%. And of course, as I said, in the past days, even this one already at 25% and moving. And I believe this is just going to continue. We're betting our money where our mouth is. ZBCN just has this strength within it, just has, again, that cocktail, the mix of things that pushes coins to new highs, okay? Pushes coins to new highs. And remember, it's still very much underfollowed. Let me show you something else, okay? Let me show you even one more thing. ZBCN coin on coin market cap, okay? You're going to see it's number 128. So it's on page 2 on coin market cap. Look at this. Actually, it's moving high. When we started trading it, I think it was at page 4, All right, now it's at page 2, number 128 on coin market cap. All right, and moving, and still you don't have this on Binance, you don't have this. Look at the markets that it's trading on. It's trading on OKX, Bitgate, Mexiso, Kuka. It is on exchanges. Don't get me wrong. And I'm not the one to think that, listing on exchanges is a good thing, but the anticipation of a listing is a good thing. The anticipation of it being listed on Coinbase or being listed on Binance, the anticipation is what's strong, okay? That's what makes this strong, okay? That's what makes it strong. I like it. A lot of circulating supply also, so we don't have a lot of overhead that people can dump on you and whatever. Okay, so everything all in all is shouting this is good. Now remember, we in the Crypto Mindset channel, the no edge no trade, we believe in risk management. Okay, we believe in risk management as the first principle. And remember, this is not financial advice. Don't just get into ZBCN because of what I said right now. We wait for precision entries, and the entry has already passed. It's gone. It's bye-bye. You need to wait for another pivot to happen. And I'm going to make a video about that when time comes. I'm going to show you exactly what to look for the next entry. But for now, I just wanted you to understand. I believe in ZBCN. It's showing its strength. And of course, I can be wrong. I'm just a mere human being, but the probabilities are stacked in our favor. And you can see we put our money where our mouth is. So we encourage you to obliterate the like for us. Give us the like, comment on this video, tell me what do you think about this video, what do you think about ZBCN. And of course, if you are considering about moving higher in the hierarchy of becoming the best you can be as an investor, come check us out at our WAP, at our memberships. We give the best service in the crypto market. Why? Because we believe in professionalism, we believe in risk management as a first principle, and we believe in just obliterating the market, taking our profits and moving to the next one with edge, with probabilities, and not with hopium, not with moonboying, just with professional execution. And anyone can do it if you follow the right characteristics and the right guidelines. Until next time, everybody, no edge, no trade.